10 dumbest things to do. Number 1. Drink out of an empty glass. Number 2. Put a piece of Lego up your nose. Number 3. Dance like a retard. Number 4. Sit and look at your beep. Number 5. Be a weirdo.
Yeah.
Number 6. Be a pedo. Number 7. Be a rapist. Number 8. Stare at an object. It doesn't include the camera. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9 actually. Be yourself and listening to a dog drink water. Number 10. This is the worst one of all. Licking a chair. Finish.